An internal condom, sometimes known as a female condom, is placed in the vagina before sex. It helps to protect against pregnancy as well as sexually transmitted infections. Here is a quick guide on how they're used. First, open the packet carefully so you don't damage the condom. Do not use your teeth. Hold the inner ring and insert the condom into the vagina. Put a finger into the condom and push it as far into the vagina as you can. Make sure that the outer ring stays outside the vagina. During sex, make sure that the penis goes inside the condom. After sex, twist the outer ring a few times to stop semen leaking out when you remove the condom. Always put used condoms in the bin, not the toilet. Internal condoms are up to 79% effective for contraception. This means that if 100 people used internal condoms for a year, up to 21 of them can expect to become pregnant. You can get free internal condoms from sexual health clinics. Visit our website www.leicestersexualhealth.nhs.uk for local sexual health information.